It would.
But it was fun. The boys got to play at the college campuses. So that
Oh, I bet that would be really fun. Yeah, Austin's thinking about that.
Yeah.
Making a shift. Him and Kemper have been talking about it. Maybe going up to play for Jay up there.
Have you guys played Tacoma before?
Yeah, we've played them twice. We've outscored them 31 to 2.
Oh, so this is a low score compared to this. The goalie is doing good. Is it a different goalie? Is that right?
No, I think it's the same goalie. It's the same goalie. It's the girl that we had in Moses Lake. We beat them 15-1, but we're short a bench, and I think this is more about. We know how good they are, and we're kind of playing down. I think we're playing as hard as we can. That's what I think. Yeah. Get a goal, Chan! Howard. I think he's pointing at. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. All right, we'll enjoy the game. I'll see you guys after.
Okay, we'll see you. He's a good player, though. He's a good kid. He's a good player. He's the only one that really kind of plays. Yeah. Well, he probably won't be there next year. He's probably going to be up here. Nice pass. Good job, Brandon. Wrap around.
Got man on.
Speed. Come on! Good play, number 9. Yeah, they're trying to make perfect plays and. In fact, yeah, he's got to call that. Almost. Austin would have had a ripper. Austin would have had a ripper there. No, they do that. Somewhere where they're comfortably going to win, but it did. Ryan. Austin might have tipped it to him. They're out there talking. Do you want to take the face off? And he's like, no, you do it. That's what we have to. This is the game where you work on stuff like that. Let's make those passes. Shot, good save! Good save, goalie.
Oh, come on! Come on! Oh, come on!
I already have that on my phone.
Are you sure? Of course.
on, boys! Yeah! Hey, way to go, B-Dog! Nice pass out there, B-Dog! Way to go, goalie! Oh, come on, Kemper! I was teasing him. Oh, come on, Kemper! I was kind of pulling my, I was pulling a march. they're going to be a lot better next year. They got a lot of new players, but they're going to be a lot better next year. Kelly does music. She always does good music. She does good music. That was kind of weak. He didn't really have a play. That's where you want to hang on to it. That's where you want to just hang on to it and try to make something happen. That would have been awesome if they connected on that. Almost. Almost kept it in. Yeah. Yes. Ooh.
Up top, up top!
Yeah.
Too bad.
Ryan second. Now they're starting to. Nobody does. We're not obnoxious. Yeah, they were. That's Derek Smith.
That was good position. That was really good.
That was a beautiful pass. That was just a good goal right there. That was a nice goal. Ryan's got a hat trick in the second period. Well, they're both really going at it. They're both being physical, and he's calling Austin. Hooking. No, it's not his first time. He has one other.
I don't think he did anything.
Thug!
Beat him.
Yep. Well, we're on a we're on a penalty kill, so. Nice reception on that pass. Now they have the penalty. Delayed penalty. Now we get an extra man during the delayed penalty until they touch the puck. When they touch the puck, it automatically blows the whistle. I think it went up to the net. He's a good heart player. I don't have a problem with the way that boy plays. Well, he didn't like the call, but the ref.
I don't mean that at that time. Oh, that was beautiful.
Come on, Derek.
Right. Oh my God.
Good hustle, Derek. Nice save, boys. Nice shot, man.
Right there. Yeah.
Nice.
He should have just shot it.
Go to the net, Oz. Go to the net. Austin should stay out there. He's been on the bench for 2 minutes. Oh, we have a 2-man advantage now. That's too bad. We have a 2-man advantage. Get somebody in the net! Somebody in front of the net! It's in the goal. Nick got one. Oh, Austin was right there. Austin tried to deflect it. Woo, there we go! Elijah's first goal of the year. Austin likes scoring. They're just the ball making mistakes.
He likes Tacoma, so he doesn't have to be.
I think you're right. One second.
Yeah.
Look at this. Good hustle,